Whether you're a journalist, accountant, financier, or marketer like me, having data science skill sets will pay you in the short run. For example, like a marketer like myself, I derive insights from data that we receive in marketing campaigns that I do for clients. And without that data analytics skill sets, I'll be kind of like lost in those marketing campaigns. And you can do the same for yourself as well. It could be accounting data, it could be finance data. It's really dependent on the profession you're in. And by the way, you don't have to be a full-time data scientist. What you can do is you can add on data science skill sets on top of your current skill sets, like me, a marketer, come data scientist. Now, if you'd like to do that, then join us in the upcoming webinar where Dr. Lau will be hosting, and he'll be sharing with you how to break into a data science career using a very popular framework called the Awesome Framework. Plus, in this webinar, we'll also be sharing 2 resume templates from some of our best students who have used this resume to got their jobs as a data scientist. So, if you like that, join us in the webinar. Use one of the links around this video to sign up, and we'll see you in the session.